If you are a real estate agent looking to generate more leads for your real estate business, I want to break down really quick the simple 3-step system that we've used to generate over 100,000 real estate leads in the last 3 years, right? So basically all you're going to do is use a simple Facebook ad, which we have all the copy and paste templates. You just have to copy and paste and use for your business, and then target people in your community. Okay, and you can target them on Facebook, on Instagram, on 2 of the biggest social networks. And then when someone in your area is scrolling through their newsfeed on Instagram or Facebook, they see your post, they're gonna click on it, but instead of going to your main website or even your blog, you're gonna be sending them to a landing page. Now, the whole point of a landing page is to grab someone's contact information. So you get their name, their phone number, and email address so you can eventually follow up with that person. And then from here, once you have that lead's contact information, then you can send them to your main website. But the great thing is you have their contact info so that you can send an email, an automated text message, an automated Facebook message, and even give them a call on your phone. Now guys, obviously this is like, I don't have time to go through this whole process, but I want to give you the copy and paste templates for the Facebook ads, the landing pages, the email, text marketing, all that. So I've got a free training for you guys a little bit later today that I'm going to be breaking down this whole entire strategy. So all you got to do is just click in the bottom right hand corner or the top left hand corner and register for this training where I'll break down this whole entire strategy. And if you do attend the training and stick with me to the end of the training, I will actually give you guys all of the Facebook and Instagram ad templates. Just copy and paste in your business. I'll give you all the landing page templates and the email and text marketing follow-ups that we've used with over 5,100 real estate professionals. So we know that they will work for you. So all you got to do is just go through, use them, plug them into your business. You'll see how the whole entire system, the lead generation system, works on this training. So go ahead, register for this training, and I will see you over there on the training.